Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Roomba off and removing the dust bin so nothing spins while you work. Once done, flip the vacuum onto a soft cloth to protect the underside. You need clear access to the Edge Sweeping Brush. Remove hair and debris with your fingers or tweezers. This step prevents obstruction when you release the retention screw or clip. Make sure you can see the hub and any retaining fastener. Knowing what holds the brush simplifies the next step. You now remove the retaining screw or clip. Use a small Phillips or Torx driver and place parts in a container so nothing gets lost. Once the fastener is out, pull the edge brush straight off the gearbox shaft. Avoid twisting, which can bend the shaft. Inspect the hub and the gearbox teeth for wear. Replace if stripped. Clean the surrounding area with compressed air and a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl to remove grease and fine debris so the new brush seats smoothly. You align the replacement edge brush with the shaft notch and press it straight on until it seats. Then reinstall the screw or clip securely, but do not over-tighten. Snug is best. Once fitted, spin the brush by hand to confirm free rotation and that the bristles clear the bumper. Make sure to reinstall the bin and power on for a short test run. Observe for wobble or unusual noise. If it binds or squeals, power off and recheck alignment and fastener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.